Now, at this moment, I would like to invite Professor Amol Kumar Choudhury. Professor Amol Kumar Choudhury, can you hear me?
Yes, Nala.
Okay, thank you. Now, I would like to Professor Amol Kumar Choudhury to give his lecture. He is the course director of Bangladesh Cardiovascular Intervention course and also treasurer of Bangladesh Society of Cardiovascular Intervention. He will give talk on how to choose angiographic views. Before going to his talk, I again request our fellows, please put your question, be interactive. This sessions is only designed for you, so be interactive. Put your question in the chat box or question and answer box. Professor Amol Kumar Choudhury.
Thank you. My respected chairpersons of this fellow sessions, specially designed for cardiologists, moderator Dr. Noraram and Dr. Vijay, and all dignitaries from home and abroad who joined this our society, national society webinar. I think I am lucky that my presentation is just after a complex cases, and Ramesh Das presented before that presented cath lab basics. But my presentation is very basic and very fundamental. I think it will be helpful for the fellows of my country, and I am grateful to our scientific secretary that I think I am the first national faculty to give rise, giving the presentation. Thank you. Very good morning to all dignitaries present here. All of you know this is the Mujib centenary. So first I pay my respect to the father of nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. My topics is how to choose the angiographic view, which is the mainstay of intervention cardiology, I think. All of you know this pandemic area, the Zoom meeting is the only way to communicate the education, disseminated the education of our life. For the last 2 years, we are home lock. What is the content of my presentation? Content of my presentation is introduction about cardiac cath lab. Already Dr. Ramesh said something. Introduction about coronary arteries, which is very basic for to know every fellows. Different angiographic views, tips and tricks of angiography, and limitation of angiography must know. Guide catheter and diagnostic and guide catheter also said, I think, another faculties. All of you know the actually cath lab is a battlefield. Cath lab is a battlefield where the interventional cardiologist is the commander in chief, and different hardwares are the arms and ammunition, and particularly coronary angiographic views are the strategy of success of this war. So keeping this mind, already Ramesh shows this slide keep him respect to the sons who start the angiograph in 1853 in by Sons catheter. So this was very clumsy, but now we are using very sophisticated machine. The fellows should know the types of cath lab. All of cath lab means cardiovascular cath lab, cardiac cath lab. Cardiac cath lab is divided into coronary, congenital dedicated, vascular dedicated EP, and different type of cardiac cath lab. And there is a hybrid cardiovascular cath lab, having the cardiovascular cath lab with OT. So there is also other cath lab, radio intervention. All subjects have developing interventionist. In neurointerventionist are ortho, hepato, and gastro. Cardiac cath lab is essential component which must, I think, keep in the battlefield to win the battle. So fluoroscopic machine, we must know that about the fluoroscopic machine. We are having AI, that means image intensifier, X-ray tube, monitor, power injector, and patient table. Well-equipped emergency cart should be ready for any time we need the resuscitation of the patient. Radio protection already described. Good radio protection protocol should be maintained in every cath lab. But this is the very important sufficient hardware form function needed to FFROCC appropriate for appropriate procedure to combat the complication, to combat, to achieve the very good outcome of the result of the procedure. So everybody should know the what are the things to keep in the cath lab. So everybody know what are the things to keep and where it's keep. Basically, all the shelf should retain where in it, so that in emergency period, no need to hurry. Appropriate AC and air cooler should be kept in here, and also a sophisticated machine nowadays, imaging like device, imaging system, IVAS, FFROCT, ROTA, and IVL should be kept in the battlefield. So I cannot move the slide. Can you see, Nurala?
Click. First click, then move. Click, then move.
This is our new cath lab scenario. This is the IR, which determines the use name, and below the table there is a X-ray tube. This is CR, and the other device, power injector, and others device. So, what are the person entitled in the entry to the cath lab? Every person should know, because there is a lot of persons may say a clergy in the cath lab is not entitled. One cardiologist, one fellows, card nurse, one circulating nurse, two radiographer, one and cath lab technician, one in inside, one in control room. These are the person entitled to stay in the inside the cath lab. Earmark place who stand. This is the hybrid OT, hybrid cath lab for TAVI. So there is a lot of mark, but in simple PCI cath lab, there is several person to lay out plan and equipment cath lab. So we start my topics, the coronary views. Before knowing the coronary view, we must know the coronary artery anatomy. These are all of we know, I think, the left, right, which is the first branch of the aorta, and the other branch. This is the coronary artery map. This is the diagram. You should keep in mind every time what is the man, how the LLD, what is the proximal LLD, medial LLD, distal LLD, proximal LCX, distal LCX, and RCA. There is a diagrammatic view. Keep in mind in every time. Right coronary artery, just I overview the right coronary artery arises from the aortic sinus. Lower, always keep in mind in the left coronary artery. Course is the atrioventricular group, and 85% cases, and it's important to supply the 25 to 35% of the left ventricle. Right coronary artery is the other branches as Conas artery, anterior course, very notorious. Sometimes, usually 50% has separate origin. Sometimes right catheter goes first here and produce BT or other arrhythmias. So keep in mind the first branch anterior course, second branch is a nodal artery posterior course. It is about 60% as a second branch, and right ventricular branch. Keep in mind how from it arise. It is the mid RCA arise. One of them is the vaginal branch, which is large, and avinodal branch is also important, which supply the avinode. in 80% of cases, in mind, so that any disturbance of this branch may produce the arrhythmia and may need also a temporal pacemaker. And posterior descending artery is very important for the inferior wall, ventricular septum, and posterior medial papillary muscle supply. The right coronary artery, because catheter is the other person will discuss. So Judkin 4 and 3.5 clockwise rotation is easily engage the right catheter. Other catheter M plus or M plus left and right also sometimes may need to use, and even when right Judkin 4 coil shaped arrange coil shaped mode produce a coil shaped and engage the RCC, right coronary artery. What are the main branch of the left coronary artery? Origin, all of you know. It is very important for the fellows. Typically, what is the length? 2 to 7 millimeter in length. When we call the short left band, means than 2 millimeter, and long, more than 7 millimeter. Rarely, no left band, separate origin. Catheterization technique is same. Judkin 4 is very good. Then if it is outer is dilated, then you adjust the shape, length, and the size of the catheter. But after engagement, you should keep once of damping, and for separate ostial catheter origin, if the larger Judkin should be used for elective LCX engagement, and smaller should be LAD engagement. And view should be taken LO cranial, LO caudal, epicranial, and limit view, because IVAS may need it. Left circumflex, I cannot just recapitulate. Left distal left main coronary artery, course distal left atrioventricular groove, branch obtuse marginal, and 38% cases supplies as sinus node, and supplies, it is also only 15 to 25% of left ventricle. Unless dominant, it supplies. If it is dominant, be careful. If the left dominant, that means the LCX is dominant vessel, it supplies the left ventricular mass 40 to 50%. Left ventricle, very important artery. It is about 22% cases does not reach the apex. That means type 1 to type 4. All of you know, branches, septal and diagonal. LAD supplies the 45 to 55% of the left ventricular branches. So before knowing to the view, every fellow should know how the cine nomenclature is done. Imagine this intensifier in early era, long ago, it was determined by X-ray position of the X-ray tube. But now II position is determined the name of the view. So when it is called cranial, it's above, it's caudal. When the view is II is situated in the caudal position. So this is the nomenclature how we will call. This is the RO, this is the LO, and this is the steep AP view, which depend upon the position of the III. And X-ray tube should be under table. So keep in mind, this is very basic thing. Standard view for left coronary artery, LO 40, cranial 20 to see the LAD LCX, LO 40 and caudal 20, proximal LAD, proximal LCX, and distal left main. RO 20 and caudal 20, left main, proximal, mid, distal LCX. Very RO caudal, very good view. And RO 20, 10, cranial 40, proximal, mid, LAD. And sometimes supplementary. This is the four corner view, very important for LAD. But some supplementary view, sometimes epicranial should be taken for LAD and epicranial for left main and LCX, if there is any doubt. For right coronary, there is only two view is enough for proximal and mid RCA. For distal supplement view like epicranial or elocranial is sometimes be taken for.
Dr. Amol Kumar Chaudhary, sir, can you take one question from the audience?
Okay, sir.
Okay. When to use M plus right in RCA convolution? Is there any condition we need to use M plus left in right coronary artery convolution? This question is asked by our fellow.
Thank you, sir. I am giving the next two slides after. LO with cranial angulation for the left main ostium stent placement. It is very important view, and also it is also a surgical view to see the origin of the diagonal and also when. It is very important view. Left main coronary artery, middle part of the LAD, proximal circumflex, obtuse marginal, first diagonal, and septal perforator. It is very important view for surgeon. This is RO caudal view. All of you know we determine this the proximal, mid, and distal LAD, and also L6 is also good. Here is the foreshortening is avoided. This is steep LO view, and this is the less commonly view. But post-series patient, this is mandatory. Very good lima to LAD touch point view is very important, or any intervention needed. This steep lateral II is here and extractive is here, 90-90. So this view is very important. Sometimes skip, sometimes need to, even the native lesion also detected, mid and distal LAD is very important. This is the canal view. This is the C-shaped view. This is the proximal RCA. Mid part is as a conduit, and distal C part is the RCA. So, in most patients, cranial angulation is needed for to see the PDA, to see the septal branch, whether PDA is this one or that one. So, there is some...
all of our presenters to be within their time frame limits.
So,
please,
this is the question of Dr. Ajam, smaller guide for if there is a separate origin and larger guide for LCX. This is the origin of short left coronary artery, separate origin, and this is a very long. And RCA, what Professor Ajam asked, if it is a horizontal origin, transverse origin, Judkin rise is the group. If it is superior origin, Judkin rise, hockey stick, M plus right or left is the guide catheter or diagnostic catheter is choose. If it is inferior takeoff, there is the multipurpose and JR is the choice. This is the answer Dr. Ajam said. Sorry. There is the same view of the CAG of the still picture because I did not go the video. It took more time. This is very important view to see the distal ligament and proximal LAD, ostial LCX, osteo-proximal LAD. This is very important view. This is called spider view. And this is also RO caudal view, very important for the to see the LCX dominant and also intervention. And RCA, this is very important view, cranial, very important view to see the PLB or ventricular bands arise from where, and PDA, how if there is any lesion in the PDA. So this is same view. And proximal RCA, there is a, without any cranial, only RO view to see the osteoproximal part of the RCA. This is very. This is the summary of the LCX view. This is summary of the RCA view, and this is one of the video to see the only 5 view complete the RCA 2 view and 4 view for a radial route for LAD. There is a lesion in the PDA to delineate this cranial view. LO cranial view is very good. So tips and tricks of coronary arteries, global assessment view should be taken to assess the severity of the osteoproximal lesion. What is global assessment view? It is steep AP view. Relation between LAD and LCX, whether we instruct the patient to inspire or not. Overall assessment of the other lesion. Eagle eye observation of hemodynamic monitoring. There is third eye should be kept in the interventional cardiologist. Careful observation, pressure damping and ventricularization. Careful about speed of dye injection, manual or power, underflow or dye may underestimate the lesion.
Professor Amol Kumar Chaudhary, sir. We have to stop our presentation. because we are running in short of time.
We take a question from Dr. Ashok Dotto for anomalous RCA from left sinus. Which catheter is used? Professor Amal Kumar Chaudhary, sir. One of the important questions raised from our faculty for anomalous RCA from the left sinus, which catheter is useful?
Anomalous origin is the we can use the different catheter, like we can use the M plus of right M plus or left M plus 2. We can negotiate the anomalous origin, and if there is different type of, it is the below level or the level or above the level of the coronary sinus. It depends upon the how what type of origin of the anomalous origin. So we can use the Judkin if it is failed, then the M plus catheter, and also sometimes right Judkin 4 curve also sometimes help to make a curve and negotiate.
Thank you, Professor Amal Kumar Chaudhary, sir, for your nice explanation.